Today we're gonna show you our stroller. The brakes are broken, so we ordered a new one. I can hold it.
Okay. So when we put the brake, this stops, but this doesn't stop. And the problem is that this part, where is that part? This part is detached. So this part that connects the brake from one side to the other is broken.
So you are going to replace all of this long.
Okay, so this is the website of Thule.
Now we're gonna show you the, what do you call it? The warranty.
Yeah, so we press that. And for the stroller that we have, it's called bike trailer.
Because it could be connected to a bike.
So the warranty for bike trailer is limited lifetime. We fill the warranty form.
Your email address, subject, description, warranty type, photos of the
and we included a small video and submitted it, and then we received the part. So we sent to Thule and we received
It's so light.
this part.
I thought it was gonna be heavy.
And maybe this is it.
3.
So this is
You open the thing.
This is the new part.
yeah, this is the new part that Thule sent us. So try to remove this part and replace it by the new part. Okay, so we need to remove the wheels. First step. What can you help me? And this one.
Can't you just do it with your hand now? We're almost done unscrewing these things.
So this is our part. Okay.
So we're unscrewing these so we can. Oh wait, which part? This one.
Yeah.
So we unscrewed the other old one, and you have to put this part under this thing, and it has to match the hole. And then you put the screw from under this, and now we need
Take one.
Good job, Laura.
Okay, I need the tools.
Which one? Hold it. Just hold it. Which one? This one? Okay.
Okay, so we tighten the screw, and now the brakes are attached, and all we need to do is put the wheels back on. Oh, there's a problem. Never mind, it works.
What? There's something inside.
What? Yeah, what? Put a little screw in there.
Okay, Daddy took it out. Oh, great job, Daddy. Great job. Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Thanks a lot about, keeping us safe.
Thank you, guys.
Goodbye.
Thank you, Laura.
Goodbye. Bye, guys. Goodbye. See you guys next time, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.